Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to put into secant of phi s squared and secant of phi s squared. Next, we have the formula in here. Secant of a squared equals to 1 plus tan a squared in here. So now I need to transform this one into this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan phi s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have phi secant of phi s squared dx. Because we don't have number phi in here, so we divide both sides by number phi. So this one we change by u squared. This one we change by du over number phi. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have u. The integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put about c. About u, that is about tan phi s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.